What's your favorite truck accessory?
Would be my kicker subwoofer.
Your favorite truck accessory?
Probably the speakers and the tailgate.
What's your favorite truck accessory?
I'd probably say like the sound system upgrades.
What's your favorite truck accessory?
I'd probably have to say the light bars.
What's your favorite truck accessory?
My favorite would be the hard trifold tonneau cover.
Right now, you can save $100 when you spend $500 or more on genuine GM accessories here at McGee Motors.